This is really good.
Yeah.
You definitely have to try it if you're in Texas. All right, Terry Black's Barbecue, Fort Worth. I've heard a lot of great things about this place, and this was absolutely one of the must stops in Texas. So let's go in and order. Thank you. Oh, smell in here. You get your sides first. And the meat, so by third, half, 3/4, or a pound. We're getting a lot. Brisket is king, that is for sure. They slice the meat right in front of you. The menu again. I love that they slice it right in front of you, weigh it in front of you, so you know what you're getting. And then they have a great outdoor sitting area and a patio. Let's just walk out of here. Sit out here. Terry Black's Barbecue. It smells amazing. I can't wait to try this.
Too late to get there.
Alright, so obviously we're eating in a van just because of the dogs. We can't go in there. All the meat's wrapped up in one packet. They slice it and measure it in front of you. So messy. We got the brisket, we got the ribs, got some banana pudding, cornbread on the side, potato salad, corn, and baked beans. We're gonna get the plates done, plate set up, and then try it. That looks good though. It really smells good in there. So, got one plate and it's ready to go. Yoshi's over there licking his lips. This is really good.
Yeah.
You definitely have to try it if you're in Texas. I like the beans. I like the corn. I don't mind the potato salad because I like dill. But brisket, oh my god. And the ribs were good too. The sauce is like, it's almost like a jus. But you don't even really need it because the meat's so tender, so flavorful. Definitely 2 thumbs up.
Cornbread's good too.
And the cornbread too. So
if you like sweet cornbread.
I have to add one more thing. We've had barbecue everywhere, different. I've had it at different places: Texas, Florida, Georgia, the Carolinas, probably Tennessee. This is, I will have to say, it's definitely worth it. To me, this is the best barbecue I've had. What about you?
Yeah, it's very good.
So